Does Realme 16 Pro 5G have slow motion video recording feature? Let me quickly check it out for you. So if I open my camera app, you can see it's now opened, and if I go to more, you can see here we have slow-mo. So this is the slow motion video recording feature. So now it is confirmed that this phone Realme 16 Pro 5G has slow motion video recording feature. You can just tap on it and then start recording slow motion video. Okay, let me show you the video. You can see it's slow motion video. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.